the beach is not just a place where we can sit back and really soak in the beauty that God has painted for us, but it's also a place that we can get a deeper understanding of our salvation. Let's take footprints, for example, in the sand. Footprints, they come out and they kind of, in a way, tear up the beach. They're kind of out of place. They don't look right. And all of a sudden, the waves will come in and wash those footprints away, leaving the beach, clean, pure, untouched. Well, that's a lot like our salvation. It says in Hebrews chapter 10, verse 22, let us come to God with a sincere heart and the full understanding of faith, so that we may have our hearts sprinkled, so that we no longer have a guilty conscience, and that our bodies be washed in pure water. What that tells us is that no matter what happens, we can have a clean slate. Our footprints can be washed away. Now, some of you are probably sitting there going, but my footprints are dark, they're awful, they're messed up, nothing can wash them away. I'm here to tell you right now that that's not true. That Christ, that's the reason He came. He came to die for His death. His sacrifice of purity, of love, is the waves come crashing down to wash away the footprints of sin. Now, if we'll just take that and remember that, and understand that nothing that we do can't be forgiven, that God can make us clean. All of the amazing things that we'll experience. That, guess what? Yes, while the beaches, the country hills, the mountains, they're all beautiful works that God created, you are the most beautiful thing God wants to make. All you have to do is just ask. I'll see you next week.